Good morning. Mackenzie Johnston with Tri-State Livestock News, bringing you your Wednesday morning headlines concerning fair cattle markets. Sponsored by Sandhills Beef Company of Mullen, Nebraska. Eat like a rancher. America first means buying directly from the producer. Be the change. To learn about everything Sandhills Beef Company has to offer, head on over to their website, sandhillsbeefco.com. Also sponsored by R-CALF USA, fighting for independent American cattle producers. To sign the petition for the beef checkoff referendum, head on over to R-CALF's website, or you can sign it at www.checkoffvote.com. According to Farmland Finder, the company has released a sale-leaseback program as part of its online marketplace for farmland. A farm sale leaseback is when an investor acquires the land from the farm owner-operator and then leases it back to them on a long-term basis. According to Stephen Brockshus, founder and CEO of Farmland Finder, farmers are looking for ways to unlock equity that's tied up in their land without giving up control of their property or taking on additional debt. Through the company's private investment platform, farmers can apply for a sale-leaseback, and if they qualify, an investor will partner with them to help unlock equity. According to Farmland Finder, this program provides value to farmers who are looking for an alternative financing option. A sale-leaseback provides liquidity to the farmer while also helping them maintain ongoing operational control of the land. Sale-leasebacks are used in various situations, one of them being when hard times come around and a farmer needs to free up some cash to keep the operation going. This obviously is a less than ideal solution. However, Farmland Finder still believes it's a viable option. And this would be vertical integration at its best. On Tuesday, Harriet Hageman, Senior Litigation Counsel for the New Civil Liberties Alliance, filed an opening brief in the Wyoming Federal District Court related to R-CALF USA's Federal Advisory Committee Act lawsuit against the USDA, reported R-CALF. Along with R-CALF, Wyoming ranchers Tracy and Donna Hunt and South Dakota ranchers Kenny and Roxy Fox are listed as plaintiffs in the case. In April of 2019, the USDA's veterinary sub-agency, the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, also known as APHIS, published a mandate calling for all U.S. cattle producers to use radio frequency identification ear tags, also known as RFID tags, on all adult cattle moved interstate by January 2023. Additionally, the mandate would require cattle producers to register their operations with the government. Once the mandate was released, R-CALF USA and other rancher plaintiffs sued on the grounds that the mandate was unlawful and it challenged existing law that allows cattle producers to choose other options when moving cattle interstate, such as metal ear tags that come with a much lower price tag. The case also alleged that APHIS violated the Federal Advisory Committee Act, which requires federal agencies to follow certain protocols when establishing and utilizing advisory committees to safeguard both government transparency and a balanced perspective among advisory committee members. Weeks after the lawsuit was filed, APHIS just so happened to withdraw their mandate. The latest brief maintains that the defendants, USDA and APHIS, have never claimed to have followed lawful protocols and achieve balance on their advisory committees. Instead, the brief argues that the defendants did not utilize either the Cattle Traceability Working Group that was formed in late 2017 or the Producers Traceability Council that was formed in early 2019. R-CALF USA and the rancher plaintiffs are seeking an injunction from the court barring APHIS from using the advice and work products it received from the advisory committees as the agency forges ahead to deny cattle producers the choice to use other low-cost technologies as sanctioned by current law. Yesterday, the WASDE report was released, and Cattle Range reported that the 2021 forecast for total red meat and poultry production has been raised from last month on a higher forecast of beef, pork, and broiler production. Beef production is raised from last month mainly because of higher cattle slaughter and heavier than expected early year cattle weights. The beef export forecast for 2021 is raised on strong demand for U.S. beef in numerous markets, and fed cattle prices have been lowered for the second half of 2021 due to increased production. Finally, National Beef Wire reported yesterday that choice box beef ended the day at $234.29. That was down $1.91, and select box beef ended the day at $220.73, and that was up 12 cents. That is all I have for you guys this morning. I hope you are all staying warm. Have yourself a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you all tomorrow morning.